Welcome if you're new. I am currently getting ready. Y'all, it is 8 a.m. but I have been up since 5 a.m. Golly. It's not for me. It's not for me. But today I have a partnership video with Bluemercury, so I had to be up early to get ready because I have to be at the Bluemercury, so I have to be filming in stores. So that means I had to be up early to do my makeup, to do my hair, because I have to be there at 10 a.m. So, and the location I'm going to is not close to my house. So yeah, girl. Oof. Y'all, I had my hair sit for some hours. I just picked up the camera, and then yesterday I got my nails taken off. Well, not really taken off because they were still my nails, but I got them shortened and I just did a mani. Have to give my nails a break. So y'all, I just have a clear nail polish. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not gonna lie to you, and I don't know how long it's gonna last me. Probably for a few days, couple days, and then I'm gonna go back and get gel or something. I don't know yet, but anyways, that is what I'm doing, girl. I'm just getting ready. My hair has been sitting, so I needed it to be a little bit flat so that I can like kind of mess around with it. I've already curled it, so usually I curl it really, really good, and then I put my silk head wrap, and then I let it sit for at least, I keep it on my head for at least 30 minutes, and then I take it off, and usually whatever I've curled is pretty flat for the most part. You see what I'm saying? I curled a few pieces. But yeah, so it's in-store filming. I love in-store shooting, but I've noticed I have to be in-store a lot early because although it's open to the public, I just know not a lot of people will be there. Hopefully, crossing my fingers, because it's not my first time partnering with Bluemercury and doing an in-store shooting. Last time I did it, I think there was like probably 4 or like 3 people that actually came in store, and the store is super small, you guys, but it wasn't a big deal. I remember when I partnered with JCPenney Beauty and they had me do an in-store shoot. Girl, JCPenney Beauty was tough because you guys know JCPenney is in the mall, so that was a hard video to film. Also got these earrings from Amazon like yesterday. They're so cute. I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger. That's the thing about Amazon. Sometimes, like, if there's not a lot of pictures, but I think there were a lot of pictures, I just didn't pay attention. But yeah, these are so cute. They're not that big, and I really would have loved them to be a little bit bigger, to like, you know, that chunky earring look, especially with my short haircut. I'm like, I need the big earrings. I need them statement earrings. When I ordered my earrings, I actually ordered this 2-piece set from Amazon. I am so nervous to try this on. So I've already tried on the bottoms, the jeans, and they actually fit surprisingly. I got this in a size small. Normally, I'm always nervous to get denim without having that specific number of like the size. So, and then I also got this top. Girl, who am I? My back is about to be all out, but with this Texas heat, girl, you guys, oh, it comes with pockets. This is so cute. So I feel pretty comfortable and confident with my back showing right now. This is so cute. I am obsessed with this look. So I'm gonna have my husband though just like put some body oil on my back, because this is like really showing my back, but it's so cute. This is exactly what happens when I can't see my back. I always have my husband back check me. I do need to get a mirror that I'm able to see how my back of my head looks. He always comes through, and he is so soft with it. One thing about my husband, he gonna be gentle with everything. I literally asked him to put oil in my back. Y'all, he was so gentle. He almost like, babe, put that oil on my back. Why are you so gentle? But I love that. Cute? Yeah. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Ooh. Okay, y'all, we ready to go. Before we head out, quick little outfit of the day. Majority of everything that I have on is actually from Amazon, so I'm gonna just link it for you guys, but obviously I've already told you guys this set is from Amazon. I love the open back area, especially with this heat. So the flats are from H&M. This is actually the only thing that's not from Amazon, but they're so cute. I actually have these in a white color as well. Y'all, I keep my jewelry so simple because I don't really like to wear a lot. If it's earrings, a little necklace, and I'm not doing a necklace today because of this top, but watch and bracelet is from Amazon, and then bag is from Amazon as well. This is my outfit of the day, guys. Okay, let's go get to work. I don't know where this brand got my address from, which I'm not complaining, but y'all, Roots just sent over a box filled of some potato tots. We have classic cut fries. These look so good. Oh my gosh, I love sweet potato fries. We got some crispy sweet potato fries. They also sent over some crinkle cut fries, and then some crinkle French fries. What the? Did they send me all the fries? And then they also sent over some potato wedges. And we have more on this side. I literally just got this box right now, and Junior was like, wait, did you order something? I'm like, no, I didn't order nothing. What's in here? Oh, this is definitely a PR, babe. Junior was like, we're not keeping something that you don't know where it came from. This is a PR package, you guys. And then they sent over a bag. This is perfect. So when I go to farmers markets, I can just have this bag. I take it with me. And then they also sent over some socks. That is so cute. Thank you so much, Roots. It is the next day. We are currently in the kitchen trying to prep for today, y'all. I don't know if I mentioned this, but we're kind of hosting 4th of July with our friends. It's not a lot of us, it's just gonna be 4 of us. But it's so last minute, you guys, because me and my friend, we were supposed to hang out this Friday, and then she's like, wait, it's 4th of July week. So then we just decided, how about we come over, we bring something, y'all have something as well, and then we kind of share and just enjoy this 4th of July. So that's what we're doing. So last minute. So I had Junior go to Walmart and I put in a pickup order, so he just got home. So now I was actually making my Brazilian lemonade. Y'all, I make this every summer, if that. It is so good. I remember when we used to live in Indy, I drank Brazilian lemonade from this restaurant, and ever since then I love drinking it. It's so creamy, so good. So that's what I was trying to do in the kitchen. So I just wanted to kind of hop on here and let you guys know what's going on. I know I look crazy, still got my PJs on, but we gotta get it going, okay? For the Brazilian lemonade, you're gonna need a few limes. I think I used 6 limes, and then I went ahead and just blended it all in this blender, and I used at least 3 cups of water, if I'm not mistaken. Y'all, I honestly just eyeballed it, and then I strained it so it's so smooth. And then we're gonna go ahead and add this condensed milk. I'm gonna actually put this back in here, add this, blend it up, and then I'm also gonna add a 1/2 cup of sugar, and that is it, y'all. That is exactly how to make Brazilian lemonade. It is so good, so refreshing for the summer. So in case you're hosting and want something super creamy and refreshing, you need to try this recipe. You used to like this milk? And put it in what?
No,
Really?
even drink tea, you know, it's also good for tea.
We have 1 Brazilian lemonade. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make another drink. This one is for the people who don't want this Brazilian lemonade. Honestly, I don't think my friends might like this, but we're gonna see. But just in case, I wanna have a backup, so I'm gonna just quickly make this drink real quick. So this is gonna be like a mocktail. In this mocktail, you will need orange juice, Sprite, and cranberry juice. just 3 ingredients. I love making mocktails. They're perfect for, you know, when you're hosting, and if you don't drink alcohol no more, I feel like mocktails is always the cute way to go. So let's go ahead and do this. Again, I'm just gonna eyeball it. This is my first time actually making this particular mocktail, but I'm not new to making mocktails, so we're just gonna have fun with it. I usually tweak it. If I have extra syrup, I add it in there just to make it fun or whatever. So it's honestly how you want to make it. There's no right and wrong way to making a mocktail, because it's literally juice and a little bit of soda mixed with it. It's really not that hard. Finally done. The only thing left to do is just to grill the burgers and the chicken. We're just gonna wait until they get here for us to do that. But y'all, I made banana pudding, and then mac and cheese is done. And then the collard greens, I did bacon instead of turkey. I ended up cutting up some tomatoes and onions for the burgers, and we got the dill pickles on the side. This is what happens when you have your friends over. They don't want to leave. They don't want to go. Like, go home, Roger. No. Kidding. Look at this. It's not okay. No, stay. Please stay. Please stay. Hey guys, it is the next day. We're currently about to head out. We're actually gonna go to Whole Foods today, because guess what, y'all? If you did not know, now you know. Whole Foods is having a 50%, I was about to say 55, 50% off their ice creams. I think all frozen treats at that. So run to your Whole Foods. I think their sale is over on the 15th. We have to go check that sale out and get some of our favorite ice creams or just frozen treats in general. We're back home from Whole Foods, and we're gonna do a quick little taste test on the ice creams. Y'all, when I say they did not have much ice creams, they didn't. Like, they had popsicles, they had other frozen treats, but we were there specifically for the ice creams, and they didn't have much. So these are the only 3 flavors that we wanted to try. I've already tried a lot of Whole Food brands ice creams. These other brands, I really don't know much about them, so we're gonna just try. And then we also picked up Junior's milk, and then we picked up our eggs. And that is it. It was a quick little Whole Food run. So we're gonna try Jenny's. This is bay leaf cheesecake. I really love cheesecake, so I'm really excited to try this out. I don't know about the whole bay leaf. Cheers.
Not bad.
It's okay. It's very sweet. That's very rich. Okay, next one we're gonna try is the Whole Food brand. This is raspberry chocolate chip ice cream. Junior was like, oh wait, don't you like raspberry? I sure do. I thought this was actually cherry, so I really didn't care to mess with it, but once I seen that it was actually raspberry, I know I used to actually empty that freezer. I figured let's just get it. Here.
That's your favorite.
This one is better. Now that's a good one.
This one is
What brand is that?
did I pick this one?
Yeah.
So this one's Galvin Mango.
Oh, Indian style.
Oh, Indian style. Mawa ice cream. So Indian style Mawa ice cream. Ooh.
Ooh, that's gonna be good. Junior likes mango ice cream, so I know you're gonna like this one.
Yep. Serious.
Honestly, y'all, I was ready for us to grab a lot more flavors and for us to just kind of try, Like, if they had a lot of ice creams there, if they were stocked up, I think we would have walked out of there with like 20 ice creams.
It looks like the, remember that yellow butter?
Oh, it does
like
look
the African butter.
just.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Now I got my favorite.
Yeah, that's all yours. It's not terrible. It's very like rich in the mango flavor, but it's so thick.
Yeah, this is nice.
It's not terrible though, but this is not my favorite either. So it's like literally mango. You blended mango and put it in the freezer.
Yeah.
That's
That's
the best
nice.
way to explain it. Yeah, it's not bad, but it's just not my favorite. Well, that's it for the ice cream.
Probably the next one, if they have, I'm gonna do pineapple.
Damn.
This is me how I go.
Dang. You like some frozen fruits. As always, thank y'all so much for watching and tuning in with me. I love y'all so much. Now, Sana, and I will catch up with you guys on another vlog. Bye.
All right. But.